But you're acting like you can videograph. Your videographer.
You're not allowed to take that out for a ride. Does he listen?
If they didn't want you to take it for a ride, they wouldn't have left it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate everybody's support. I just wanted to give you a quick behind the scenes of what I put up with on every walk.
Hey.
We need pictures. I don't know what we do with the pictures, but we need pictures. I don't know, someone's fascinated with walking into like all these weird places and things. Okay, I don't want a suggestion. We just took a different path that I've ever taken before. I've never taken. Well, that just scared the hell out of me. Some random cat in the wood, on the wood path. We've never taken this way before. I didn't even know it was here. I thought that was one direction, just took you to a road, but it doesn't. Bless you. Jeez.
People sneezing.
All right, so knowing that all the bugs are out, you think we'd stay out in the open where it's breezy and out of these wooded areas and, well, obviously buggy. Nope, not this crew. All right, let's see where this takes us. This is interesting. Okay, well, looks like we came across an area where they ride all different types of things. Probably bikes and dirt bikes and other vehicles. It's kind of cool, actually. I'm trying to figure out which way I want to walk. I'm sure a lot of these go in circles. Okay, never mind. She decided to go this way. Goodness gracious. I want to walk in here at night. Phone hole. Oh, look, somebody was having an in-ground picnic. This is nuts. I like the rocks, the big trees. What the size of these trees? She don't care, she's run away again. Alright. She went up that way. The path got a little narrow there. There's poison ivy everywhere. So we're separated again. I'm trying to find a better way of going. Because I want to be smart. She loves coming to these abandoned buildings. I don't know what the fascination is. But walking around, I'll show you in a second where somebody talked to us. All right, so what happened here one time you were walking here?
Oh, somebody whistled out of the window.
They were talking to you?
Yeah. Oh, and then the drain pipe. Somebody was in the drain pipe. They're saying hello or no, help me, help me. That was kind of funny. I wasn't quick on my feet, otherwise I would have like answered back or something.
I was laughing. I was like, nobody can help you now. Okay, so we may or may not have just walked through the grass. You know anything you want to say?
No, I'm enjoying the breeze.
She's breezing. This walk is a breeze.
It is a breeze. There's lovely poison ivy everywhere.
No. Nice shot of the building. Just getting a walk in past all the buildings. We're not going close to any of them today. We're just kind of enjoying the weather, trying to get our steps in. We thought you might just like to see some of the... I want to go by the water. You think we could do that? It's not close though, I don't think. The buildings are pretty cool. Massive. Massive.
Made it down by the water behind some people kayaking there. Huh. Absolutely beautiful day. I think I got a little color. Gotta get that sunscreen on.
So back there are all the buildings. That big one in the distance there is the one that you saw close before, the tall one. And then here's just beautiful water. It's so amazing. across the way, another state. And down there, people enjoying. It's so gorgeous out right now. What's this one doing?
Look at the color I got already. Look how little red.
You're right? I know. I should be getting a tan right now.
Look how calm the water is.
I know. Wow. Beautiful clouds in the distance of the mountains. Just walking. It's quite hard to see, but it's still beautiful. The sun is quite warm. We're gonna take a different route. We're gonna walk apparently through here. And through that woods area over there. Let's see what we find. All right. Well, Lola promised me it wasn't gonna be buggy and mosquito in here. We'll see. See if she's true to her word. It's a marshy, swampy area in there. It's all gated, so I don't wonder what it was at one point. Maybe like a little lake or something.
Talk about being abandoned. You just abandoned me.
I was trying to make it through here. You seen that water? Ugh. Gross. It's like a layer or something on the top.
Pollen?
Yeah, I'll go with pollen. That'll make me feel better. I'm not sure. I think Batman lives here. Look at how nice this gate was.
Where's the Batmobile?
Probably one of these tunnels.
Probably. The fencing is cool though.
Right?
Like the fleur-de-lis almost.
The what?
Fleur-de-lis.
I don't speak French. Alright guys, I know we're in the sun, but I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Thanks for coming in, and we hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna end it here. Yeah. Sorry.
Hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when we post new videos, and we'll see you soon.
Does anything else have to do? Make sure they share it.
Yeah, obviously, share it, duh.
We'll see you in the next one.